Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the fourth lesson, Land of Glories. Reading. India is a vast country with a people who speak different languages, eat different kinds of food, and take part in many festivals. Read this poem which celebrates the richness of our country's culture. Okay. So now we are going to read about the glory of India. Okay. Nature's best gifts were showered on this, our wondrous land, where faith, friendship, unity, and love go hand in hand. So in India, nature's best gift were showered. Showered means pour. Okay. On this, our wondrous land. Wondrous means beautiful. So we have a nature's gift, means we have beautiful nature. Okay. Where faith, friendship, unity, love go hand in hand. So in our country, we have faith, friendship, love, unity. What do you mean by unity? People come together, work for common purpose. Okay, that is unity. Togetherness. Unity means together. So all goes hand in hand. Hand in hand means together. All will go together. So that's the best part of our country. Okay. Lofty snow-capped mountains that seem to touch the sky. Rivers, lakes, and oceans, such sights that greet the eye. So, what are the nature's gifts we have? We have lofty snow-capped mountains. What is that? Lofty? Lofty means high. Okay. Snow-capped. What is snow-capped? Snow-capped means snow covered on top. That is snow-capped. Okay. Snow-capped mountains. We have, what is that nature's gift? We have a beautiful mountain which has snow covered on it. Okay. Rivers, lakes, and oceans. Such sights that greet the eye. So then we have beautiful rivers, lakes, and oceans. That is very, very beautiful to see. Okay. Next. The forts, temples, and palaces that mark our history sing sagas of wise kings and queens, of their lives and gallantry. So then not only we have mountains, but also we have forts, temples, palaces. So that remembers our history, how our history is beautiful. It talks or it tells about our history. Okay. Sing sagas. What is saga? Saga means a story about a adventurous. Okay. So it tells about the adventures of kings and queens, of their lives and gallantry. Gallantry means bravery. Okay. So it all forts and temples and palaces tells about how kings and queens bravery or adventures. Okay. The fearlessness of Lakshmi Bai, the deeds of Ashoka the Great, stories of heroism and courage have shaped our country's fate. Who is Lakshmi Bai? Lakshmi Bai is a queen. She is a queen of, she was the queen of Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay. So, not only forts, temples, palaces talks about our history, but also we see the fearlessness of Lakshmi Bai. So, how she was fought against British. Okay, the deeds of Ashoka the Great. Deeds means action. What he did, he spreads. He is an emperor. He was a king, and he spreads the Buddhism all over the world. Okay. Next, stories of heroism and courage have shaped our country's fate. So, for their actions, now talks about the future of our country. Okay. Next, the Mughal gardens in Kashmir, Chittorgarh Tower soaring high, the Taj Mahal in Agra are so pleasing to the eye. Next, what's the glory? What glory we have? We have Mughal garden in Kashmir. Okay, and Chittorgarh Tower soaring high, the Taj Mahal in Agra. All these are the best example for our glory or India's glory. Our wildlife thrives in sanctuaries, in forests safe and sound, their pristine beauty at untouched, peace and harmony abound. Thrives means grow. Okay. Sanctuaries means places where birds or animals lives. That is sanctuaries. So we have not only forts, Taj Mahal, temples, not only that, but also we have sanctuaries that is very safe and sound, and their pristine beauty. What is pristine? Pristine is a pure, untouched peace and harmony abound. Okay, untouched means not damaged. Abound means plenty. Okay, so we have not only that, but also we have forests and sanctuaries, everything we have. That's also glorified our country. With years of toil and struggle, our lands prospered. One can tell with education for our children, jobs for the youth as well. Then, what is toil? Very hard. Okay, very hard work. For with the years of hard work and struggle, our land, now we have a prospered land. Okay, prospered means developed successfully. We have developed. Okay, on what? We have developed on the education for our children and jobs for our youth. Okay, many parents are sending children to school, and many youths are getting jobs. Okay, this is the sign of our country is developing. Okay, with the best of railways in the world, technology and science too, ours is a country that has grown with time to make our dream come true. So not only in railways also we have we can see the lot of developments. Okay, many new trends are introduced, and the many technologies are changed. So ours is a country that grown with time. Okay, so gradually we become a developed country. This is the glory of our India. Understood? For this we finished our poem, The Land of Glories. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Okay? Thank you.